This video explains bill of quantities with an example of a project. Work description. To prepare any bill of quantities, there is required to understand work description first. Let's we have a small project and have to install an electrical power meter from an existing cabinet with an underground cable. The work scope is shown here with photos. From left side it's new electrical power meter, in center underground electrical cable, and on right side there is shown existing electrical cabinet. The work scope can be divided into three sections. First, earthworks like trenching, backfilling and asphalting. Second, electrical cable works, supply and install electrical cable and cable terminations. Third, electricity power meter, supply and install electric power meter, breaker, box, grounding wire, grounding rod and PVC pipe. First section of work scope is shown here. First is trench, then backfilling and then asphalting. The second section of work scope is shown here. Electrical cable pulling inside trench and then cable termination with breaker and power meter. The third section of work scope is shown. There is electrical meter, breaker, box, grounding wire, grounding rod and PVC pipe as shown in these photos. Let's start to prepare bill of quantities for this project. The table is shown here. From left side it's first serial number, then item number, then item description, then quantity, unit, unit rate and then total price. The bill of quantities for explained project is shown here. We will discuss this BOQ item by item. As per first section of work, that's earthworks. Item 1.1 is excavation. Let's the quantity is 50, the unit is cubic meter and unit price is 30 and then the total price is 1500. Item 1.2 backfilling. The quantity is 40 and unit is cubic meter and unit rate is 20. The total price is 800. Item number 1.3, it's asphalting. Quantity is 10, unit is cubic meter, unit price is 120 and the total price is 1200. Let's move to next section, electrical cabling. Item number 2.1, supply and install 35 mm square 3-phase copper cable. Quantity is 110, unit is meter and unit price is 22 and the total price is 2420. Item number 2.2, supply and install cable terminations. Quantity is 2, unit is each, unit price is 50 and the total price is 100. Let's move to next section, that is electrical power meter and accessories. Item number 3.1, supply and install electricity meter 150 ampere. Quantity is 1, unit is each, unit price 60 and the total price is also 60. Item number 3.2, supply and install meter box. Quantity 1, unit each, unit price 50 and total price also 50. Item number 3.3, supply and install breaker 100 ampere. Quantity 1, unit each, unit price is 40 and total price is also 40. Item number 3.4, Supply and install earth wire. Quantity is 3, unit is meter, unit price is 5, and the total price is 15. Item number 3.5. Supply and install earth rod. Quantity is 1, unit each, unit price 10, and total price is also 10. Item number 3.6. Supply and install PVC pipe. Quantity 2, unit is meter, unit price is 10, and total price is 20. The final BOQ for this project is shown here. We will make submission for all items. Grand total price. As it's shown, it will be $6,215 for this project. So this was a simplified BOQ for a small electrical project.